In this tutorial, I'll show you how to activate a new phone on Verizon. First thing first, go to the App Store or Google Play Store, then download the My Verizon app. Open the app and sign in with your Verizon account credentials. Now from the main menu, tap the On Devices and this will show you your current devices and give you options for add-in or switch-in. Now, tap Activate or Switch Device. Select Activate your own devices if you already have a Verizon SIM and device, or choose the option to add a new device if you're bringing something new. Now enter your phone's IMEI number. You can find it under Settings, About Phone, or on the box of your phone that came in. The app will guide you through the rest of the activation process. Once complete, your device will be ready to use on the Verizon network.